Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut Pro for when you need a little bit of polishing when you haven't had time to do your makeup. So as you can see, I am completely natural here. This video is unedited. You can really truly see my face. So we're going to head up to, once you've selected, make sure you've selected it and you've dragged it down, head up to video, click on retouch and then click on skin. So I'm going to smooth out my skin. I like to use the even as well, just to even it. Smile lines I have quite badly, so I like to put that on a little bit. Then I head down to face. You can actually make your face small if you want. You can slim it. I like to slim it a bit and width it a bit. You can use jaw if you want. You can do cheekbones if you want. There's all of these options to suit your face shape. Now, for this video, that will do for me. Then I'll click on features and I'll do eyes first. So I like to brighten my pupil, my whiteness around my pupils, just so it bounces out. And then I like to go down. I do like to add some eyelashes. So there's all of these options here in CapCut Pro. I'm just going to stick with them for now. Then I'm going to head back up, and if I click on mouth, you can whiten your teeth, which I love to use. And for me, I'm quite happy with that finishing product. So as you can see me moving, I look a lot better now. You can really see the difference. I hope that helps.